Alright, so let's check out this Kraftgeek Music Stand. As you can see, it's nice and small in dimension. It's only about 43 centimeters and it weighs just over a kilogram. So it's not gonna weigh you down when you travel with this. It's nice and lightweight, easy to carry, and you can take it to a gig, a practice session, Sunday worship session, whatever the case may be. If you want to have a music stand, you can just pop it into your bag. Now, while it might be small in dimension, it's really big in its versatility, because with just one pull, you can go ahead and undo the music stand like this, expand it. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time and effort to do that, and then you can just extend the rest of the stand like that. It extends quite big with a height of about 1.6 meters that you can extend it, which is pretty cool. Or if you want to have it all the way down, it's just under a meter, about 74 centimeters long. Obviously there's other music stands on the market, but the thing is, when you carry those around, they're quite bulky and you can't just stick them in a bag and travel with them at ease. Or if you have them in a music room, they also tend to take up a lot of space. So if you have something small like this, you can extend it, run your practice session, and when you're done, just fold it up and you can go ahead and pack it away and get rid of all the excessive visual clutter, which is always a bonus in any room. Now, in addition to this nice handy Kraftgeek bag, you also get two super cool optional add-ons, which is the Lumi Light and the Flexi Mount. Now, the Lumi Light is super cool. It's this compact pocket-sized light that you can use to light up your music. So depending if you're playing in a dark lit room or whatever the case may be, you'll be able to see your music nice and clear. But let me show you what that looks like. So here's your Lumi Light. You just take it out of the packaging, and you've got two power sources. You can either power it with AAA batteries, or you can use USB-C charging. So just unfold the light like this, pop it on the top of the stand, and then you've got two adjustable brightness settings to go ahead and light up your music. All right, then in addition to this Lumi Light, you also get this super cool Flexi Mount. Now, what the Flexi Mount does, you'll be able to also put it on the side of your stand and then use it. Let's just say if you've got an iPhone that you want to control your on-stage monitor mix, or you've got an iPad that you want to look at some other music digitally on your iPad, or maybe you even want to film something live or stream with your phone, you can go ahead and get a nice angle by popping this onto your stand, and then it just expands the usefulness of your stand with this Flexi Mount. And it's compatible with smartphones and then mini tablets to give you some convenient access to any additional apps like I've just mentioned. All right, so there you have it. That is the Kraftgeek Bravo Music Stand. Now, I gotta tell you, I love a piece of equipment that's been properly engineered and properly designed with the user in mind. And this stand is definitely no different. It's gonna be getting a lot of use in our studio as well as in live playing situations. Now, I've got some good news, which is this, that we've got a 10% discount code. If you wanna pick up one of these stands and add it to your arsenal of gear and equipment, just go ahead, check out the link in the description for the link to click where you can pick up one of these stands for yourself, as well as a 10% discount to save some money in the process. All right, guys, thanks so much to Kraftgeek for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you in the next one.